This video covers how to draw free body diagrams. So free body diagrams are just diagrams that show how forces are acting on an object. So let's do a few examples to become acclimated to drawing free body diagrams. The first example, we have a box sliding to the right. And we know that since the box is sliding on a surface, there must be a normal force acting up since it's on a surface. We also know that since the box is on Earth, there is a weight force acting down on the object. And since the box is sliding, we know there is a kinetic friction force acting opposite the velocity. Therefore, it's pointing to the left. Let's do another example. Here we have a block sliding down a ramp. We know there is a weight force acting on the block since it is on Earth. We also know that since the block is on a surface, we have a normal force that is pointing perpendicular to the surface. So notice this normal force is at an angle, but still perpendicular to the surface. And since the object is sliding, we know that there's a kinetic friction force opposing the velocity of the box. Let's do another example. Here we have a box hanging by a rope. Since the box is hanging, we know that there's a tension force acting up on the box. And since the box is on Earth, there's also a weight force acting down on the box. Alrighty. Take note that there's no normal force acting on the box since this box is hanging and not on a surface. So let's do one last example, which is a person accelerating to the right. We know that the person is standing on a ground, so there is a normal force acting up. Okay, and we also know that the person is on Earth, so there is a weight force acting down. And we also know that since the person is pushing off of the ground and not sliding, there must be a static friction force acting in the direction of the acceleration.